Hi, I'm Peter and this is how to install floor insulation. Let's get into it. First up, make sure the underfloor area is accessible and dry. This job's best suited to homes with a suspended timber floor. Measure the space between your floor joists so you can choose insulation batts that fit snugly without being compressed. Go for an underfloor insulation with an R value of at least 2.0. Higher ratings like R2.5 or R3.0 are great for cooler climates and better energy efficiency. If you're working under an existing floor, start at the furthest point and work your way back to the access point. And don't forget your safety gear. Gloves, a mask, long sleeves and safety glasses will help protect you while you work. To keep the bat secure, you'll need to use strapping to keep them in place. Run the strapping in a zigzag or horizontal pattern, making sure each strap is within 200mm of the edge of the bats to prevent them from sagging. You want a minimum of 3 straps per bat. Staple the strapping to the inside edges of the joist as you go, keeping the spacing consistent. Grab your first bat and gently place in between the floor joists. If it's the right size, it should stay in place from tension alone. If you need to trim a bat to fit around pipes or wiring, use a utility knife and a straight edge if needed for a clean cut. Work your way across each section, making sure there are no gaps. Just be careful not to compress the insulation too much, as it works best when it maintains its loft. Pay special attention to the perimeters of the house, because that's where a lot of drafts can creep in. And there you have it, a more energy efficient home right from underneath your feet. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.